You will hear 5 short extracts of people talking about what art means to them. Speaker 1.
Art plays a large part in making our lives rich. Imagine a world without art. You may think, so what? But please consider the impact that lack of graphics would have on your favorite video game. Art stimulates different parts of our brains to make us laugh or cry, with a whole range of emotions in between. Art gives us a way to be creative and express ourselves. I would say that art is something that makes us more thoughtful and well-rounded humans.
Speaker 2.
The word art is most commonly associated with pieces of work in a gallery or museum. However, art is such a large part of our everyday lives that we may hardly even stop to think about it. Look at the desk where you are, right this minute. Someone designed that. It is art. Your coffee cup is art. All functional designs, well done, is art. So, you could say that art is something that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing to our eyes.
Speaker 3. Art is often considered the process or product of deliberately arranging elements in a way that appeals to the senses or emotions. It encompasses a diverse range of human activities, creations, and ways of expression. Art is a component of culture reflecting economic and social substrates in its designs. It transmits ideas and values inherent in every culture across space and time. Its role changes through time, acquiring more of an aesthetic component here and a socio-educational function there. Speaker 4.
Most people who participate in art and cultural activities would agree that these activities enhance the quality of our lives, bring about personal enjoyment, intellectual stimulation, and opportunities for public involvement. But the arts or expressive culture also have broader impacts beyond the individual level. They can fuel community and economic development. Because art is about crossing boundaries and seeing things in different ways, it can be a vehicle for public discussion, understanding social issues, and building social connections.
Speaker 5.
Why art is so valuable? While art may not be vital to fulfill our basic needs, it does make life joyful. When you look at a painting or a poster you have chosen to hang on your living room wall, you feel happy. The sculpture or figurines on the kitchen windowsill create a sense of joy. These varieties of art forms that we are surrounded by all come together to create the atmosphere that we want to live in, which is personable to us.